Hello and welcome. So in this video we are going to understand the steps which are involved in creating a Google form test. That is a MCQ based test. So you must have a Gmail account. If you don't have, you have to create a new Gmail account. So already if you are having a Gmail account, it's better to create a new Gmail account for creating and linking this Google form MCQ based test. So now let us understand the steps. So open your internet and open your browser, so Mozilla or your Chrome, any other browser. So now here what you have to type, just type docs.google.com. So docs.google.com ऐसी जैसे आप enter करेंगे, so it will ask you about the email, that is a user ID, the Gmail account ID you can type and the password you can type. So type your ID and just type your password, and then after don't save, a page will open and here you can see now you have been logged in to your Google Docs using your Gmail account. Clear? So this is your Gmail account. So here by default it displays your docs, the document like your MS Word, but apart from docs, Google Sheets like your Excel sheet, slides like your PPT, and now your forms can be created. So our focus and goal is to create your test. So click on your forms. जैसे आप click करेंगे, another page will open. Now you can see form is now open. So by default it will display some templates that you can use for your test. So right now we don't use any template, we're using a blank. So already if you have created any form, you can see below. Clear? This was a sample test. So now create a blank one. आप blank पे click करें. As you click, default form will open having two options, quick questions and responses. So responses means how you can collect the response of the students. The scores you can collect in the form of a spreadsheet. So we will start with your questions. So just first type your unit test, your heading or the title, test 1 2020, and some other basic information like your class, section, subject. So this way you can, some instruction can be given here in this section. So this is the first section where you can give your title, your class, subject like that, and your maximum marks, timing can be given here, 30 marks like that. Clear? So click here and just click here, you will get the same title here. So your form name is your unit test 2020-21. Now by default it opens a default question and title question. So now what number of questions and what fields you will require for collecting information. So first of all you will require the name. So name of student. Clear? So enter the name of student, and name of student. So it is a one line answer is sufficient. You can have other options like a multiple choice we will be using. So short answer and multiple choice we will be using. Short answer for your collecting your names and roll numbers like that. So if it is compulsory, name entry is compulsory to make it required. So आप required को on कर लीजिए. So because student have to enter the name. Clear? Now next you want to duplicate this form to create another field, or you can click this add questions, आप add कर सकते हैं. So I am duplicating this one. So name of student, now roll number of student. So roll number of student is required. Clear? So it's a one line answer sufficient. Again a validation appears, means some condition that we don't require, इसे हटा दीजिए. Now again it is required, yes it is required. So this way you can add some fields, means for collection of your data in the form of questions. Clear? Now we will be adding now questions for your test. Question number 1, तो label आपको करना पड़ेगा. Question 1 dot, so like CPU stands for, this is our first question. Now what will your set of options आप यहाँ दे सकते हैं. Central process unit, जस्ट प्रेस एंटर की प्रेस करेंगे, नेक्स्ट ऑप्शन ऑटोमेटिकली अपीयर हो जाएगा. center processing unit, your central processing unit. This we can add your option. So none of these, इस तरीके से आप ऑप्शन सेट कर सकते हैं. सो अगर आप चाहते हैं कि द क्वेश्चन रिक्वायर्स एन आंसर कंपल्सरी, तो रिक्वायर्ड को ऑन करिए, अदरवाइज इफ स्टूडेंट डू नॉट नो द आंसर ही कैन लीव द क्वेश्चन. इन दैट केस इसे आप ऑफ कर दीजिए. अगर आप चाहते हैं कंपल्सरी ईच क्वेश्चन टू बी आंसर्ड, देन मेक इट रिक्वायर्ड यस, अदरवाइज मेक इट ऑफ. This is your now first question. Now let us have your second one. So the question will be similar like that. Next, your RAM stands for, RAM stands for like that, random access memory. Then this we can add the information. So it's better कि you create your questionnaire first in your MS Word document offline, and then you can open that, and then you can copy the content from that document here one by one. It will save your time. Clear? Because it requires online connection, creation of your Google form. So we are having two questions, the first one and the second one in this way. Now how to set the marks? अब आपको marks set करने हैं. In that case, now come to your setting. So this is your setting, click here. So three options: general, presentation and quizzes. The first one, if you want to collect email addresses also along with your this test, अगर आपको लगता है कि आपको email address collect करने हैं तो आप click कर दीजिए, या automatically एक field create हो जाएगी. अगर आप चाहते हैं user can write this paper only once, तो limit to one response. बट अगर आप इसे ऑन कर देंगे, चेक कर देंगे, तो गूगल अकाउंट होना ज़रूरी है या जीमेल अकाउंट होना ज़रूरी है फॉर स्टूडेंट्स टू राइट दिस पेपर. क्लियर? दैट मस्ट बी टेकन केयर ऑफ. सो स्टूडेंट डोंट हैव द जीमेल अकाउंट, ही विल फाइंड डिफिकल्टी फॉर राइटिंग दिस आंसर. तो मेक श्योर द स्टूडेंट इज हैविंग योर जीमेल अकाउंट. क्लियर? इफ इट इज़ ऑफ, नॉट रिक्वायर्स, एनीबडी कैन फिल इन एट एनी टाइम. तो ये ध्यान रखिएगा. Edit after submit, इसे अनचेक ही रहने दीजिए. See summary charts, not required because the student will be able to see the answer the same time. We can change the options the same time. That is not required. So uncheck all these. After that, presentation. So does not require here anything to be changed. Only the message you can change here. Otherwise, by default, your response has been recorded will come. Clear? So do not make anything here change. Now come to quiz. The quiz will help you to make this paper as a MCQ based 1 marks question or 2 marks question. So here what you can see, release grade. So immediately after submission of the paper, that we don't require here. Clear? So make it off. आप later को करिए because आप यहाँ आंसर दिखाना नहीं चाहते हैं, आप ये मार्क्स ग्रेडिंग दिखाना नहीं चाहते हैं एक साथ. मिस क्वेश्चंस कैन बी सीन बाय रिस्पॉन्डेंट, इसे भी अनचेक कर दीजिए. करेक्ट आंसर साथ साथ देख पाएँ स्टूडेंट बिकॉज दे कैन पास द इन्फॉर्मेशन, इसे भी अनचेक कर दीजिए. तो दिस कैन बी चेक्ड और अनचेक्ड. अगर इस चेक करेंगे तो पॉइंट वैल्यूज कैन बी सीन ऑन द पेपर, 1 marks लाइक दैट. इफ़ यू कैन गिव इंस्ट्रक्शन एट द बिगिनिंग ईच क्वेश्चन कैरी 1 mark, देन इसे आप ऑफ कर सकते हैं, अदरवाइज मेक इट ऑन. क्लियर? सो नाउ सेव द चेंजेस. So this way now we can set the marks, but we haven't set the marks. How you can set the marks? Click on the question. जैसे click करेंगे, what you can see, answer key can be seen here. Just click here. Now you can increase or decrease the marks 1 point. What answer is there? You can select the answer because answer select करने से scoring automatic हो जाएगी. That is required. Central processing unit is the answer. Clear? But that will not be seen by the student. Clear? So if you set the option there, respondent can see the answer at the same time. In that case, clear? So already we have, हमने उसे ऑफ कर रखा है options को. So now done. Next, come to second, answer key this way, and then random access memory done. So we are having 2 questions, each carry 1 mark, so total marks is 2. So I think clear. So how you can make it as a quiz? Click here, quizzes. Make it a quiz, uncheck this immediately after submission, we don't require that later. Okay, So correct answer can be seen. So already we have unchecked. So student will not be able to see the answer at the same time. Okay, save. So the paper is ready. It has to be sent to the students. Clear? But if you want to set the time, if you want to send the link, click on send. Click here. So this link is formed that you can copy and you can send it to the WhatsApp group. So how you can copy? So you can copy to the notepad. How you can open this notepad? Click here. Just type notepad. आप notepad में copy कर सकते हैं. Clear? So that कि you remember this link, or you can send it to your email so that in the phone you can check and start the process of copying to the WhatsApp group. Clear? So this link has to be sent to the WhatsApp group. Clear? So but do not send this one because that is not required, because test will start before the time. तो ध्यान रखिए कि ऐसे आपको सेंड नहीं करना है, कॉपी कर लीजिए. जिस दिन आपका टेस्ट होगा उस दिन आप इस लिंक को 2-3 minutes before test commences you can post on the WhatsApp group. Remember this point. Clear? Because it is now open to public. Open to public, anytime, any day can be given the test, the student. Now if you want to set the time and date. So we are having some programs that apart from this, because Google Form do not allow this, you have to install another third party application, Ads-on. Click on Ads-on. So there are a number of Ads-on program, clear? So which you can install. So the first one is simple one, but limitation is that you can only set the closing date and time. Starting date and time cannot be set by this, clear? But it is simple that we will be using. So only thing you must take care of that. So you have to copy the link 5 minutes before the test commences. Clear? That is the precaution you must take care of. तब हम आगे बढ़ते हैं, इसे इंस्टॉल करते हैं. Click here. So install this application so that you can set the closing date and time. Now select your account. So it will display some precaution information, what this application can do and what it can see, it can send and delete the files. So these are precaution information. Because of that, if you are creating a new account for this work, it's better. Clear? From your pre-existing account, create a fresh account of Gmail. Now it is installed. Now how we can set the time? Now it will open here. Now close this one here. Now here in the form limiter, it's open by default. Click here, date and time. So 20th, okay, fine. The date you can set, the time you can set. So right now it's 16:20, that is 22 past 4. So now this 4, okay, 25, okay, 30 p.m. means this form test can be written up to 4:30 p.m. And the closing date is your 20th June. But I can start right now. Clear? After that you can write the test, but before starting time is not mentioned, so the user can before the time can write the answer. So it has to be taken care by the teacher. So it means link has to be sent at the right time to the student. Clear? So अगर आपका टाइमिंग 10 से 11 का टेस्ट है, दैट मीन्स 9:55 के आसपास आप इस लिंक को कॉपी करें. बाद में भी करेंगे अगर मीन्स दैट मीन तो स्टूडेंट्स को कम टाइम मिलेगा. दैट इज़ द प्रिकॉशन यू मस्ट टेक केयर ऑफ. तो आफ्टर दैट इसे सेव और एनेबल कर दीजिए. So now the setting has been done. Now the same link you can copy again. Every time you create a link, it will change. Now copy and open your notepad. Clear? And paste it. So this is your link, and that can be sent to the students at the time 5 minutes before the examination. Clear? So this is how you can send the link. Now after sending the link, after the test is over, you can collect the responses. How you can collect the responses? Click on here. Now create this spreadsheet. So now right now I am writing this test before the time, no problem, I am testing. So click on the preview. Click on the preview. Now for example I am just typing some rough information. Roll number 2, this is your central processing unit, only one option can be selected. Clear, only one option. So now this is my answer. Now submit. So as I enter, my answer has been recorded. Once I write the test, next time I cannot able to write the test because we have set the limit to only once. Clear? This is okay. Now what you can see in the response here, one student has given the test, means I have given the test. So how you can collect the information? This is the summary information that you can see later on. So click here and create a spreadsheet. Now it will create and it will store your information. You can see here, clear, the score is here. So this way all the students' information can be stored in the number of rows. Your questions are also here. So now download this as a separate file, offline download कर लीजिए इसे आप and store in your system, and then later on you can process your scores. Clear? This is how you can collect the responses. I hope the things are clear. So you can watch the video and just practice to create your Google form test. Clear? So thank you.